Vision to post harvesting, all kinds of implements we do manufacture in our facility. We are the one of the oldest company in India since 1965, and this year we are going to celebrate 50th year in our India. We have the complete range of product of ours. I would like to share with you that in India we are the company having the complete range of products required to a farmer for cultivation to post harvesting. So all the implements required for cultivation like cultivator, rototiller, disc harrow and disc plow, we do manufacture. Also, I would like to share with you that we do supply to John Deere also, not only in India but throughout the world. We never compromise with the quality, and quality is our strength. We always believe that quality is important to retain the market, and we also take care about the after sales service, which is very important as far as sales of implements is concerned, because after sales then farmers are usually getting problem because of non-availability of spare parts. I would like to share with you that we manufacture all the spare parts at our own, in our own factory. We are not buying any parts from outside. So as far as the quality and productivity is concerned, we have the control on our products, and we can supply all the spare parts well on time, and we can take care about the quality of our machines after sales.
And sir, how do you see Kenyan markets for your products?
See, this is very first time we are visiting here, and we came to know that in the half day of the first exhibition, there is a lot of potential. There are some counties in which implements sales is having a lot of scope, and now I have got so many inquiries in this exhibition. I am expecting that very soon we are going to have very good business in this Kenyan market.
So continual improvements and innovation is very important in the field of agriculture. How do you cope up with the recent latest state of art technology?
As I shared with you that ours is the oldest company since 65. I would like to tell you that we had started with only few implements, very small implements like threshers and cultivators. Now these days, mechanization has come up and technology has been improved. And now we are manufacturing the latest machines, even up to harvesters and post-harvesting machines. The latest machine, one of the example I would like to share with you is laser land leveler, which runs with laser system. So which is very useful for farmers to level the lands. So now these days manpower is very rare, and the manpower cost is also going high, so mechanization is very important. So we must give awareness to all the farmers and help them out to go for the mechanization as soon as possible.
How easy would be the cost of these products on the pockets of the farmers, ultimate farmers?
See, in as far as cost is concerned, I would like to share with you the strategy of our company is to give cost based upon the manufacturing cost only. We are not going through the market price. We never see that what prices are there in the market. We always go ahead along with the costing factors, the minimum cost cutting we are going to do, and then there further we are adding just our little margin so that we can supply farmers good quality at right price. So, with regard to costing further, I would like to share with you that in our factory we keep on working in reducing the cost. So, we have implemented the systems like ISO 9000, 14000, 18000. We have also implemented lean manufacturing processes in our company so that we can reduce the cost as much as possible.
Okay, and how do you want to start your operations in Kenya?
This is very initial stage. Today we are having meetings with so many dealers, and I had also prepared some details in advance. So some of the meetings are there tomorrow. I am expecting to appoint a distributor or a dealer here in Kenya so that we can start selling our products. Till now, I have got so many inquiries from the farmers, so I'm expecting that once there would be any dealer or distributor, then we can start selling to those farmers at a large scale.
Anything else you would like to say?
I would like to share that this is a good platform where farmer, dealers, distributors, and exhibitors all are on the same place, and they have opportunity to look at the product, to see the quality and the technology we do have. I wish all the best to everyone, and I would also like to share that we should all keep on working on this aspect, because now the time is coming where mechanization has to be improved a lot and at a fast scale. So only through such type of programs we can go ahead. Thank you so much.